Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial of Tech Assist. In this video, I will help you create a Rockstar Games on your device. So first go to your browser and on top there's a search bar, type www.rockstargames.com. As you land on a login page, go to your right hand side and on top there's an icon. Just simply tap on it. And under this there is sign in and join the social club option. So tap on sign in. Now if you already have an account, you can simply log in with email and password or sign in using these following social sites. And if you don't have an account, go down to the bottom. There is create a new account. Tap on it. First you need to enter your date of birth. After you finish entering your date of birth, just tap on next. Now you need to read these terms and policies. So after you finish reading, just tap on this box and tap on next. Now enter your email address that you want to use. Now password must be 8 to 30 characters, including one uppercase character and one number. Now if you're having difficult with the password, you can always check it with this icon, reveal password, and if you don't want to reveal it, you can just simply leave it. Set a username or nickname. Must be between 6 to 16 character and only contain letter, number, hyphens and underscores. Now your region or country is already selected, and now just don't forget to tap on this icon. I would like to receive the early word on all Rockstar Games announcements, official launches, content, special event and more. Just tap on it. Now tap on next. Now you get in verification. So please solve this puzzle so we know you are a real person. Tap on verify. Now pick the image with the dice adding up to 14. As you can see that I got a notification that my social club account or Rockstar Games account has been created. Read the following page carefully and scroll down to the bottom. After you finish reading, just tap on continue. As you can see, my account is already created, and this is how you can create your account on Rockstar Games. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.